Alright guys, so today I did a restoration on my 2009 Toyota Highlander. I did a restoration on the headlights. I will put up videos on how that went, and I give this a thumbs up. This is from the brand 3M headlight restoration system. It's pretty simple. Gives you the steps on here. Took me maybe about an hour to do both headlights, maybe a little more, just because I was taking my time. I wanted it to come out perfect. In the videos you'll see I also took some pictures, but definitely I give this a thumbs up. Very simple. It comes with the steps, brings the compound which you will use at the end, which is what will give you the shine, and it brings a couple of sanding discs, a P500 and a P800 for thinner sand, and definitely will recommend. Did a pretty good job, and again, like I said, it's very simple. Don't need too much of don't need to be too handy to be able to do it, but yeah, for those of you who are thinking about doing this, I would highly recommend. For those who would rather pay to get this done, it's probably going to cost you anywhere around the $150 to $200 range, depending on where you go. Like I said, it only cost me maybe about 12 bucks on Amazon. So if you want to go this route, thumbs up for me.
Esta es tu banda real. Así es la historia.
No te atrevas a decir te quiero. No te atrevas a decir que fue todo un sueño. Una sola mirada te basta para matarme y mandarme al infierno. Y él abrirá la puerta hoy para ver salir de esto. Si te va a pagar el dolor que me dejó aquella obsesión de tu corazón con mi corazón, de mis manos temblorosas arañando el portón, y él va a quererme consolar y entender mi mal humor. Si te digo la verdad, no quiero